Good morning, everyone. It's an honor to be here today at Conf42 to discuss a crucial topic in our evolving digital landscape. So, it's exploring multi cloud and hybrid cloud architectures of effective data management. So, I'm Prashanth Reddy, and today I'll walk you through how these cloud strategies are transforming data management and enabling the organizations to meet modern challenges in IoT and broader tech ecosystems. So, coming to the agenda, let me begin my outlining what we'll cover today. So, we will start with an introduction to cloud architectures and explore the rapid growth of cloud adoption. So, next, I'll explain what multi cloud and hybrid cloud models are. So, are their unique benefits and their challenges they pose. So, we will then dive into practicalities of implementing these strategies successfully and wrap up with the key takeaways to position your organizations for the future. So let's dive in right in. So, coming to the introduction to cloud architectures. So, cloud computing has fundamentally changed how organizations approach IT infrastructure and data management. Multi-cloud and hybrid cloud architectures are at the forefront of this transformation. Multi-cloud involves using services from multi-cloud providers, offering the resilience and reducing the dependency on a single vendor. So, on the other hand, a hybrid cloud combines on-prem infrastructure with public and private cloud resources to balance the flexibility and the control. So, together, these models enable organizations to scale, I would say, optimize the cost and enhance data management capabilities in the digital transformation era. So, coming to another slide, the growth of cloud adoption. So, the cloud adoption is surging globally. So, according to Gartner, by 2025, 95% of the new digital workloads will be deployed on cloud native platforms. So, additionally, IDC predicts the global data sphere will expand to 175 zettabytes. So, these figures illustrate the sheer volume of data organizations which must manage. So, multi cloud and the hybrid cloud strategies provide scalable, I would say, the cost effective solutions to handle this exponential growth. So, while maintaining performance and flexibility. So, it's very clear why these architectures are becoming essential in IT strategy. So, what is a multi cloud? So, multi cloud architecture allows organizations to use multiple cloud providers, leveraging each provider's strength. So, the key benefits, which includes the redundancy, vendor flexibility, cost optimization, performance enhancement. So, performance enhancements through the distributed workloads. So, however, managing multi cloud environments can increase complexity, introduce the security challenges, and require skilled professionals for effective implementation. So, despite all these challenges, 7%, I would say 76% of the organization now use multi clouds, highlighting the growing demand for this strategy. So, coming to the challenges, I would like to discuss. Of course, multi cloud isn't without its hurdles. So, complexity arises from managing diverse environments. Security policies must remain consistent, and integrating data across different platforms can be daunting. So, additionally, organizations face skill gaps and cost management issues. So, overcoming these challenges requires careful planning, I would say, robust tools, and a team of skilled professionals. So, in our next slide, we'll see what is a hybrid cloud. So, the hybrid cloud combines on prem systems with private public cloud services. So, this kind of an approach offers several advantages. I would say data sovereignty. So, data sovereignty is nothing but the sensitive data remains secure on prem or in an private clouds. So I would say next advantage would be the scalability. So the public cloud resources can handle the peak workloads. And coming to another advantage would be the legacy integration. So which allows the gradual migration of legacy systems to the cloud and the cost efficiency. So archives a less access data in the lower cost public storage according to Nutanix survey. So 87% of the IT decision makers consider hybrid cloud in their IT model. So with adoption expected to grow significantly. So coming to our next slide, the hybrid cloud benefits for data management. So hybrid cloud is particularly beneficial of data management. So it supports regularity compliance by keeping sensitive data secure while offering the scalability for dynamic workloads. And moreover, it enables gradual migration of legacy systems, ensuring operational continuity, and reduces the storage cost by leveraging cost effective public cloud solutions. So these advantages make hybrid a cornerstone for the modern IT strategies. So we'll see how the overcoming of hybrid cloud challenges. So, however, hybrid cloud adoption also has its challenges. Integration between on prem infrastructure and the cloud services can be very complex. So, ensuring all the security and compliance across environments, which will require the robust frameworks. And the cost management depends continuous monitoring, like multi-cloud, hybrid cloud, success on the skilled professionals and the right tools to manage the diverse systems. So I would say the best practices for the multi-cloud and the hybrid cloud implement to maximize the benefits of multi-cloud and hybrid cloud strategies. Organization should follow these key basic best practices like the data governance, integration tools, cloud agnostic technologies, the continuous optimization. So these will regularly monitor the performance and cost to adapt to changing whatever the needs. I would like to conclude. So, in a conclusion, so multi cloud and hybrid cloud architectures are pivotal for the modern data management. So, they offer unparalleled flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency, making them indispensable for data transformation. So, while the challenges like the integration and the security persist, they can be addressed with best practices and skilled teams. As the multi-cloud market grows to a projected, I would say, $46 billion by 2027. So these architectures will continue to empower the organizations to thrive in an increasingly complex digital landscape. Yeah, so thank you for your attention. I hope this session has provided a valuable insights into leveraging the multi-cloud and the hybrid cloud strategies for effective data management. So I look forward for your further discussions. Thank you.